I think I found it extremely interesting that at Masters Union they're trying to train all of you guys business by getting you to do business, and that's really how you learn business. Be curious and discover different things, because only when you're curious and you're doing different things will you probably find something that you love to do.
ये हमारे हाथों में नहीं होता है कि क्या वायरल होगा क्या नहीं होगा. If you want to build a solid brand now, you have to be consistently good for many years.
And you are all young. You should, next 10-15 years, you should take so many risks in life. That's what my advice. Take as many risks.
More and more business schools in India and around the world will incorporate some elements of this pedagogy in their mainstream programs. I think it's very good to have practical experience as you're studying.
The entertainment industry awaits your mind because you're a strong balance of academia and passion. And that's what I, as a filmmaker, is always seeking.
I'm sure even more impressive is just the quality of the students and the quality of the impact each one of you is creating. Particularly impressive was the fact that everyone's here building companies.
You're doing so much in that 1 year. Hats off to you. 30, 45 days sprints, getting into roles, creating, and then eventually going out and starting something of your own or getting the best of jobs out there.
You guys are in an amazing place, and we are counting on all of you to lead to the next set of unicorns coming out of here.
I have no doubt that you're going to build something super special. In the process, you're going to put India on the map.
Masters Union exemplifies the fact that we don't need to get into a structure. You don't need to have this 1 on 25. That you can sit down in a conference room with 5 people and still learn.
Do not pursue perfection. It doesn't exist. Do not get obsessed with the idea of being perfect so that you get paralyzed and don't do anything.
There was never a time like this, right? That I would foresee that we would be sitting in a world-class college like Masters Union, right?
If there is one thing that I would change going back, and I would say, is that there is very little you can build without people. I never probably valued this. I value it as a lot more right now. I'm not urging any of you to spend more social time just for the sake of it with your friends. But I would say that do realize that this will play a very, very large role as you go.
People are not interested. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है sporting nation. सरकार जो कुछ कर रहा है, people don't know. सब बोलते हैं कि सरकार कुछ करना चाहिए. अरे सरकार सब कुछ करता है. अब चाइना में कोई गोल्ड मेडल मारेगा ओलंपिक्स में, वो मिलियनर नहीं हो जाता है. They support 5 crore if you win the Olympic gold. World Championship 3 crore. We support 50,000 per month to all those selected athletes who are under the top scheme, target Olympic podium. The amount of financial support Indian government provides to the athletes, no other countries, nowhere in the world does that. No one.
Building a brand is like building a spaceship. So the components are from culture to rituals, personas to multiple things, because a brand is a brand, because brand has to generate some meaning.
When I came to your mission of Masters Union, to be one of the top 10 business schools. Why not? It will happen sooner than you think. I know it.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज अगर आने वाले 50 साल में है तो वह है नॉलेज. नॉलेज एज ए पावर. इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, research, skill and successful practices. We name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. आप यहाँ जो नए चीजें कर रहे हो, ये जो successful practices है, ये आपकी entrepreneurship को develop कर रहे हैं. Technology is important, resources equally important, but entrepreneurship is more important than technology and resources.
In life, you will come across a lot of challenges, and without challenges, there is no fun in life. So I always personally believed that the challenges that are thrown at you brings the best out of you.